Every woman loves to wear beautiful shoes, but when they hurt and you slip out, you lose. Hi, I'm Taylor Baldwin, and you are going to love what I'm wearing right now. It's the foot bumper, the anti-gravity insert that stops your foot from slipping through, making all your shoes more comfortable for you. Just peel and place. That's all it takes. Look, the main cause of shoe pain is gravity that causes pressure on your foot when it slides forward. Ouch! But Foot Bumper stops forward movement instantly, relieving the pressure and relaxes your foot. It's perfect for high heels, strappy sandals, platforms, even slides and flats. The secret is the revolutionary cushion comfort gel that curves along the contour of your foot and in between your toes, cushioning and gently preventing sliding forward.
These are super comfortable, and I've tried everything. There's nothing like Foot Bumpers.
I don't feel like I'm going to fall out of my shoes anymore, and my feet look great.
I'm able to walk easier, my feet aren't scrunched in together, it just feels amazing.
Watch. Foot Bumper's specially formulated adhesive is guaranteed to hold on tight and then peels away with no sticky residue, and they can be trimmed for a perfect fit. This pressure-sensitive photograph proves that there's less pressure on the foot with the Foot Bumper. When you call or go online, we'll send you 2